How are you feeling today? What moments made you smile or fired you up? In the hustle of everyday life, it's easy to overlook our own well-being. But what if there was a place where your emotions found a voice? Meet Relaxy, not just an app, but your personal mood buddy. Share bits of your daily life with others in Thread. Keep tabs on your moods through mood check-ins. Immerse yourself in calming meditation audios. Book one chat session or call session daily to get you closer to a healthier mindset. Relaxy's made with experts in mental health, so it's a solid support. With Relaxy, you're part of a caring community where sharing brings strength and growth. Relaxy, for a better you.